welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you are new here, it feels so good to get outside of the house. So yeah, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. That's kind of crazy. If you are new here, remember to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you know every single time that I upload a new video. Today we're going to be going through my closet and finding clothes that I don't really wear or don't like or I haven't worn in years, and we're going to completely change it, upcycle it, bleach it, dye it, do whatever I can to make it cute again. If you guys aren't interested in seeing this, then keep watching. We went to Walmart yesterday. I got a tie-dye kit and I also got some fabric paint. So I have white, dark blue, and light blue. I also got some fabric markers and these were super cheap. They're just black. So after looking through my closet for a while trying to find things that I want to customize, I found this t-shirt that was like super baggy on me, so I decided to crop it and then make it tie in the front, and it actually came out super cute and I really like it. And I also did the same thing for this one. For this shirt, I basically did the same thing except I turned it into a V-neck and I like this one a lot better. So I had a lot of pairs of jeans that I really wanted to customize, so I took this pair of black jeans, cut it up basically, and threw it in the tub and started pouring bleach all over it. I think that these came out super cool and this was the end result. And I'm basically doing the same thing here with a pair of jeans from Hollister, but these are boot cut jeans, so I kind of cut the edges off and then started to fray it and just started pouring bleach on, which I probably shouldn't have. I should have done it more precisely, and this is how they turned out, which wasn't too bad. But this next one I wanted to do like half bleached, half not, so I put bleach on a sponge and then I just started kind of pouring it on because I was getting impatient, and this is how they came out. So at this point I'm really in the bleaching mood, so I took a black t-shirt and I kind of just started pouring bleach all over it, and this came out super cool. So I decided that I was going to hydro dip my heelys, and I was really excited to try this after I saw a video on TikTok, and I basically taped up my shoes, went outside, filled up a bucket with water and started spraying, and then I dipped my shoes in. If you guys are gonna do the hydro dip, make sure that you wear gloves because now my hands are super stained and I've been trying to get off for a while and it's really not. I have this white tank top that I never use, so I'm gonna try and paint a wave on it. So I had these shorts that I don't really wear and I just had to paint lines on them, but honestly I don't like the way that this turned out, but I bet I could do better if I had another shot. So the next day I decided that I was going to bleach some more stuff, so I decided to crop a bunch of shirts and then tie them like tie-dye, and then I was just going to pour bleach all over them. So I did it to 3 shirts and a pair of shorts. So this shirt was kind of a fail, but that's okay because the red shirt came out amazing and I love it. And also the green shirt kind of looks like camo, which looks super cool, and the shorts came out really cool as well. So instead of throwing away and wasting the fabric, I decided to take the scraps and turn them into scrunchies. So I love making scrunchies and this is super fun. So lastly, I decided to take this black tank top that I don't really wear and I wanted to embroider something on it, so I kind of made little daisies and I love the way that it turned out. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you are not already. If you guys do try any of these, be sure to tag me on Instagram or send them to me somehow. But yeah, that's it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.